Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and New Year. I know I haven't been on, this is probably the longest time I've never been on my YouTube channel. But if I'm being honest, I've just had a real hard time getting back into it. I've just trying to get my mojo back. It's not that I haven't had ideas or things that I want to show you. It hasn't been that I haven't missed all of you, because I have. But I've just gotten into this funk and it's been very hard for me to get out of. I don't know if it's just everything that's going on around us. I think it's a little bit of everything. But I just wanted to let you know that I have been thinking about all of you a lot, and I appreciate the people that have texted me and asked if I'm okay. I'm going to try to get a video out, probably a haul this week. But I just wanted to come on to let you know that I will be back. It's just a matter of just getting myself back together, and I just don't have probably the right words to give you, but I will be back. I just need to get back into the swing of things and get my mojo going again. I want to thank all of you. I love every one of you. You know that. I've been coming down to the lake, and this is right close to where I live, and I just sit and think and watch the mallard ducks and just look at how graceful they are and not a care in the world. It just gives me comfort watching this, so I thought I'd share it with you as well. I will be back. I am working on a couple of things. I will have probably a haul, like I said, to show you. Until then, remember, don't ever forget this. The world's a better place because you're in it. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world no one else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.